For today's video guys, medyo lucky ako to receive this offer coming from BDO. And it's all about their cash installment from using their credit card. So ito yung katulad ng BPI na credit to cash or with East West na Instacash, yung kay HSBC na cash installment. Si BDO ay may ganun din namang offer na cash installment. So pag-uusapan natin ngayon itong in-offer sa akin, titingnan natin kung is it a better deal ba or much better pa rin ang in-offer ni East West or even ni BPI. Ano sa tingin nyo? Okay na deal ba to? Since malaking bank ba to? O medyo mataas ang interest dahil kilalang bank sila? Well, yan ang pag-uusapan natin today. So samahan nyo ako. Sit back and let's discuss coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribe to my channel. Yeah guys, so medyo lucky nga ako to receive these. Actually kasi, di ba nagpakabit kami ng solar. Tapos medyo kinukulang-kulang kami ng battery. Though, na kaya naman naming i-manage na tipong kailangan din namin magtipid kahit papano para magkasya yung battery. Pero napaisip ko,
what if kailangan namin magdagdag ng additional battery talaga?
Ang nangyayari kasi sa amin guys, from time to time, tumitingin kami sa app. Yung app na yan, kita nyo ba yan? Para makita namin kung ilan yung production, tapos ilan yung kinoconsume ng bahay, ilan yung napupunta sa battery. And then sa gabi, ganun din, minimake sure namin na pag matutulog kami, kakayanin yung dalawang aircon namin na nakabukas sa gabi. So yeah, management talaga. Pero somehow, kinukulang pa rin eh. Medyo kinukulang. So napapaisip kami na mag-add ng additional battery. And additional battery costs around 130,000. And kapag pina-install ko pa siya, abutin kami ng 150,000. So, sabi ko,
Timely naman tong offer na to. Magkano ba kaya magiging monthly ko kung magdadagdag ako ng additional battery at kukuha ako sa mga credit card na to?
well, eto na nga. So, basahin natin yung offer coming from BDO. So, ito yung sabi ni BDO. Hi Patrick, get cash up to 556,000 with your BDO Platinum Mastercard and pay up to 18,171.15 per month for 36 months at 0.49% monthly interest. Plus, pay up to 2 months later. So, basically, that's around 38 months to pay or 38 months in total. Ways to avail, log into your BDO Pay app, visit BDO website, visit a branch, and then merong promo code which is naka-blur na lang. Offer is until June 30. So, malapit na pala. Availment, amount, and rate are subject to BDO approval. Kung makikita natin dito, nasabi na nila yung interest rate ay 0.49%. On the onset, when comparing yung ibang banks na may experience na ako ng credit to cash like BPI, BPI offers 0.59% per month. So definitely, that's 0.10% na mas mura dito sa BDO cash installment. Kay Instacash naman ni East West, si East West ay nag-offer ng 0.55% per month. Thus, somehow, nasa middle ground si East West. I-calculate natin for a 100,000 na loan, kung magkano ba ang magiging monthly ko and the interest. Unahin muna natin dito kay BDO. So, paano daw sinabi sa app daw, kailangan i-click yung installment, click natin, yan. And then, pupunta tayo dito. Ready cash with BDO, your BDO credit card. Tapos, sabi dito, convert your available BDO credit card credit limit into cash. Offer is available to selected clients who receive a promo code. Yun nga. So, hindi pala lahat na bibigyan ng ganitong offer. So, ilalagay yung promo ID, then yung card number, then yung transaction details, preferred amount, yung term, purpose of availment, and then best time to call. Tatawag pa pala sila. So, kung i-calculate po natin to, 0.49% times 36 months, it would give us around 17.64% sa loob ng 3 taon or 36 months. So, sa 100,000 times 0.1764, ang interest po natin, syempre dito ay 17,640 sa loob ng 3 years medyo okay na rin. Then i-add natin yung 100,000, basically 117,000. I-divide natin by 36 para makuha natin yung monthly amortization ko. Nasa 3,267. Not bad na rin. Medyo kaya naman. 3,000 lang eh. So basically, nasa around 5.88% per annum lang ang kanilang APR. Which is, I think, it's a very good deal. But i-compare naman muna natin to kay BPI. So, sige. Kay BPI naman, ito yung offer sa akin. So, let's say 100,000. Merong tenure dito ng 60 months up to 12 months yan. And then, pag clinic natin 36 months para parehas dun sa kinalculate natin kanina, ang monthly repayment ko daw dito ay 3,367.78. So, medyo mas mataas to. Kung i-calculate natin yan, 3,367.78 times 36 months it will give us around 121,000. Minus natin yung 100,000 para makuha natin yung interest. So, that's 21,000. So, dito pa lang kita na natin difference. Kanina, sa BDO, 17,000. Ito, 21,000. So, mas malaki siya ng 4 to 5,000, diba? So, divide natin. 21% sa loob ng 3 taon. I-divide natin by 3. Yan, lumalabas na 7% versus sa 5.88 kanina, diba? So, mas mahal sa BPI. And then, last na lang na pagko-compare natin ay yung Instacash naman ni East West. So, ito naman, ayaw kasi magpa-record ni East West. So, ganito ko na lang siya ginawa. So, yan, punta tayo dito sa Instacash. Maglagay tayo ng 100,000. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung payment terms. So, may 6 months, may 36 months, and then up to 60 months, katulad ng BPI. So, kung i-calculate natin to, yung 36 months is 3,327.78 at 55% daw. And then, ang total repayment na nakalagay dito ay 119,800. So, kanina, 117 si BDO, tapos si BPI naman ay 121. Ito naman, 119. So, medyo nasa gitna talaga. At kasi, mas mababa ng 0.04% yung interest dito kay InstaPay. So, kung i-calculate natin yan, 3,327.78 times 36, 119, i-minus natin yung 100,000, 19,800, i-divide natin by 100,000, so that's 19.8. Divide natin by 3, that's 6.60% per year ang APR niya. So, just for comparison lang, ito yung BDO natin, nasa 5.88%, tapos yung BPI natin na nasa around 7%, and yung East West naman natin na nasa around 6.6%. So, makikita natin dito na definitely mas mababa itong offer sa akin ni BDO. However, ito lang yun guys. If I wanted a longer payment term, doon naman nagkukulang si BDO. Kasi ang maximum tenure lang na kaya ni BDO ay up to 36 months lang. Versus kay BPI and kay East West na kayang umabot ng up to 60 months or 5 years. Kung gusto nyo mas mababa ang monthly, it is better to go ahead with BPI and East West. Pero kung concern naman kayo dun sa total na babayaran nyo, ang difference lang naman nila ay nasa around 4,000 to 5,000. So, medyo okay na rin yung additional 24 months kesa pilitin mo magbayad lang ng 36 months. Kung ako ang papapiliin, siguro mas pipiliin ko si East West during this time. Itong offer na to para sa akin. Okay, for our question of the day, sa tingin nyo dito sa tatlong comparison natin, ano ang much better option for you guys? Yung mas mababa ba ang interest pero up to 36 months to pay lang? O yung mas mababa ang monthly at medyo mahaba ang payment terms na kayang umabot ng 5 years to pay or 60 months to pay pero merong additional na around 4 to 5,000 na interest in total? Ano sa tingin nyo pipiliin nyo? Well, let me know sa comment section sa baba for our monthly giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay Marlo Mahinay at Marlo44Q9Z. Ang sabi po niya ay, thank you Sir Pat and happy Father's Day. Wow! Thank you rin po kay Sir Marlo Mahinay. Thank you po for watching and supporting and for greeting me. Happy Father's Day. I'm not sure po kung tatay rin po kayo. Kung tatay rin po kayo, Happy Father's Day din po sa inyo. And kung hindi naman po, pasensya na po. Sa lahat din po ng tatay dyan, belated Happy Father's Day din po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. I hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up. And if not, wala namang problema dyan. But continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!